Midtown Farmers Market was the first in the state of Minnesota to begin accepting SNAP EBT in 2006. And so each Saturday and Tuesday at the market, customers can use their SNAP EBT benefits by visiting the information booth, we swipe their cards, and then we give them a matching amount of tokens that they can use with all of our vendors at the market on eligible items. And then thanks to Blue Cross Blue Shield and the Department of Human Services, we're able to match customers' purchases of their first $5 with an additional $5 to use at the market as well. Back in 2006 when we started, we did $494 in SNAP sales. In 2014, last season, we did $20,142. I think it's great for the market, it's great for the community, it gives people who need a little extra help making purchases at the market, giving them the opportunity to purchase fresh local foods. It also helps our vendors because it gives them an opportunity to get some sales that they otherwise wouldn't be getting from our customers who do utilize the program.